How to buy something on walmart.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video I will show you guys how you can buy something on walmart.com. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a very stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device and go to the official website of walmart.com. As you can see, I have already searched for it and I am on the interface of walmart.com. Once you search for it, your interface will be also somehow like this. Now scroll down and search for the item you want to purchase. So let's say I want to purchase this item that will cost me $41. So click on it, and once you are here you will see this option of add to cart, so click on it. Now after that, follow the screen prompts and you will be easily able to buy something on walmart.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.